On this mileage unknown, I'm actually just going to do a quick package opening. We're going to call it a mail call. We're doing a mail call. I actually had some stickers made. Josh at FUNKNSLOBUS, which I'll put all of his links in the notes before. I sent him a pretty basic design, and it's actually from the Speedo in Bugley, my '69 Volkswagen. So maybe I'll take a quick clip of that so you can see what he went off of. But I had him make me some stickers. So these are going to be the first stickers for the channel. Let's see what we got. I'm just going to open them both up real quick. And I mean, the turnaround was super awesome. Extra screw ups. Please don't bend. So it looks like he sent me some extras. Let's check out what we got. Sent me one of his stickers, or some of his stickers. Super cool. We got FUNKNSLOBUS. You can pass me, but can't outlast me. Yeah, he's got a ton of stickers, so if you're into Volkswagen stickers, and I think one of his links that I'll put up will take you to the site where he has some of his shirts. But there's one of my first stickers for the channel there. Like I said, that's the Speedo out of the '69 Volkswagen. We'll go take a look at real quick. I got a bunch of those, so we're gonna send some of those off to maybe some of my fellow Volkswagen YouTubers. And then, oops, it was funny because he first sent me the picture of just the Speedo, and I thought, man, it needs a little something more. And so he added wings to the Speedo, which I think those are super cool. I can't wait to get these on maybe some of the car windows. We'll see. I'm sure Trav's not gonna put one on his 55 that's in the background, but it'll probably end up a toolbox picture, or it'll be on the thing maybe. I'm sure I'll have one on the fastback. And real quick, we're gonna go take a look at the Speedo in Bugley so you can see where the inspiration came from. So I'm walking out into the junkyard. Sorry for the shaky cam because I don't have it on a gimbal. But this is Bugley, and it is a '69, and there's the Speedo. So I sent Josh just a very rough picture of the speedometer. My brother Trav's friend hand painted this back in the day, and I think the stickers came out awesome. So I'll hopefully in the future you'll see Bugley get some work done on it and it'll get back on the road. But that's gonna be it for this mileage unknown.